2A and B, it's not there. Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Last class we started money.
Yes.
So today let us see which all coins we are using nowadays, which are the notes we are using. Okay. And what we call the currency of India? What we call, it's rupee. And rupee can be written in which form? What all things will be there?
RS.
RS. Okay. See, I am asking rupee. This money can be written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. Yes. Money can be written rupees and paisa separated by a dot. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Now, what is 100 paisa? How much rupee 100 paisa? 100 paisa is equal to dash rupee. 1 rupee. Yes, 1 rupee. And what is the value of the coin or not? What is its value? How we will find out its value? See, on the coin, number written as Parvati. Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Asriya.
Idea come this time.
It's okay. We are just recalling the points we learned in standard 1. That's all. So the number written on the coin or not, that will be its value. If it is written 5, it is 5 rupees. If it is 20 rupees, it will be written 20, like that. So the value means the number written on the coin or not. That is its value. Okay. Now let's see some coins and notes. So here you can see the currency of India, that is rupee. RUPEE, rupee. Then the currency of USA, it's dollar. Currency of UK, it's pound. Japan, it is yen. These all things we saw in standard 1. Now these are the coins used earlier. 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa. Nowadays we are not using these coins. Then coins used now. 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Then the notes used. 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 2000 rupees note. So these are the coins and notes we are using nowadays. So we already discussed money is written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. So here I'm writing some what we can say, some figures. You have to read that. Okay. Now listen, let me write here. No need to take the notebook now. Now you please listen here. See, this is a symbol we use now for rupees. This is a symbol we use for rupee. And how we will read this, Parvati? Are you remembering? How we will read this? 6 rupees. And yes, 50 paisa. 6 rupees 50 paisa. So here you can see the rupees and paisa separated by a dot. Here you can see the dot.
We can write.
No need to write. Before dot, it is rupee. After the dot, it is paisa. Now let's see another one. Wilfred, tell me the answer. Okay. How we will read this, Wilfred?
15 rupees
Very
and
good.
19 paisa.
15 rupees.
90 paisa.
And 90 paisa. NINETY. 90 paisa. Now another one. Bennett, tell me the answer. Okay. And it's Read.
55.
55 rupees.
55 rupees. 7 paise.
Very good, very good. 55 rupees. 55 rupees. And here you can see this 07. So it's 7. The value is 7. If the 0 is left side of the digit, it has no value. If it is right side, it will be 70. But here you can see it is in the left side. So 55 rupees and 7 paisa. Now I'm writing in words. You have to tell me the figure. Okay. Now I'm writing 56 rupees. 56 rupees. How we will write in figures? How we will write in figures? Chaitanya, are you remembering how we will write in figures? First, what we will write? Just opposite. First, what we have to write? The symbol. Okay. Then, how many rupees?
56.
Okay, so we can write a 56. Here, no paisa. So, what we will write? 0, 0.
Money, not
Okay.
paisa.
So here 56 rupees. Here you can see only the 56 rupees, no paisa. Now another question. ₹25 rupees.
Nah.
25 rupees. And please mute your device. 25 rupees. Five paisa.
Ma'am, I joined late.
It's okay, Advait. We just started only. Nihal, tell me the answer. How you will write in figures? First, we will put the symbol.
We want to write this?
No,
Rupees.
please listen. Then,
We
how
want-
many rupees? 25 rupees. So, we can write the number
24.
25. Then, after that, we can put the dot. Then, how many paisa?
5
5
paisa.
paisa. So, how we will write 5 paisa? First of all, we
But-
have to put 0, then 5.
0 and 5.
Okay. So, this is the way of writing in figures. So, now you please listen. The money used in a country is called, the money used in a country is called, what we call currency. And the Indian currency is rupee. Then money can be written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. So before the dot, it is rupees, and after the dot, it is paisa. Then 100 paisa means it is 1 rupee. Then what is the value? What is the value of a value of the coin or not? The number will be written on the coin or not. That will be its value. Nived, what are you doing there?
Me.
Okay. So these things we can write in the notebook. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook.
Ma'am. I have to.
Take a notebook.
Yeah. But first for me.
Now at the top we can write chapter 7. Chapter 7. Chapter 7. What's the name of the chapter? Money. M-O-N-E-Y. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Chapter 7. Money. Below the heading, we can write one point, that is, money is written in W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Money is written in rupees and paisa. Rupees and paisa, comma, separated by a dot. So you can underline, money is written in rupees and paisa, separated by a dot. Haya, take a notebook and write. Money is written in rupees and paisa, separated by a dot.
Ma'am, please share the screen. Ma'am, please share the screen.
Money is written in rupees and paisa, separated by a dot.
Ma'am, Pita has completed my work.
Okay.
Miss. Ma'am, will Fred have completed?
It's okay, it's okay. No need to tell me one by one. That's why I mute everyone.
Miss,
Yes.
one video here.
Yes. Money is written in rupees and paisa, separated by a dot. Everyone has completed the sentence which I written on the board? Everyone?
No.
No, please complete it.
The Pratira.
Who is talking in Malayalam?
Ma'am, the schedule be completed.
Money is written in rupees and paisa, separated by a dot. I will give you in figures, you have to write in words. Okay. Money, I will give you in words, you have to write in words. I will give you in figures. So you can write the question, write in words. Write in words. Write in words.
Ma'am, rupees and paisas like dollars and what?
Yes, my dear. Rupees and paisa. After that, you have to put a comma. Separated by a dot.
No, rupees and paisa like dollars and what?
Yes.
Dollars by
Rupees and
He-
paisa.
and dollars and what?
Dollars.
Yes,
Dollar is a currency.
dollars is a currency, but dollars and paisa.
That I don't know, my dear. I will check and I will tell tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's write the next one. Write in words. First one. A. Rupees 6.50. Sorry, rupees 6.50. Evelyn, tell me the answer.
Yes, we want to write.
Yes, you have to write in the notebook.
Rupees 50.
And how?
50.
Rupees?
50.
How it will come 50 and all? How many rupees is there? Evelyn, how many rupees you can see on the board? See, before the dot, that is rupees. So before the dot, it's a number 6. So how many rupees?
6 rupees.
6 rupees.
And we
Okay.
want to write this answer.
Yes. Then Evelyn, after the dot, what's the number?
50.
So that much paisa. Okay. So 6 rupees 50 paise. Please write 6 rupees and 50 paise. 6 rupees and 50 paise.
Now we have to write in one line.
If you have space, you can write in one line. Otherwise, you can move to the next line.
Ma'am, if
Yes.
we have same page, we can take.
You can.
If we
It's a new chapter, no. Otherwise, you can continue in the same page.
okay. Ma'am, my math notebook is missing. That's why I wrote in a new book.
Now we can move to B. And the question is,
Ma'am, Madhu, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Madhav, right? ₹6 and 50 paise.
What is the second question?
The next one it is this one. Write the answer. Madhav, tell me second one. How many rupees and paisa?
9 rupees.
How many rupees?
9.
Is it 9? It is
50
written.
rupees
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Madhu, tell me the answer. It's written rupees symbol, then 15.90. So money is written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. So before the dot, it is rupees. After the dot, it is paisa. So how many rupees are here?
50 rupees.
15 rupees. Then from where you go to 9 rupees? 15.
90 paisa.
FIFTEEN. 15 rupees. Then how many paisa?
90 paisa.
Mother.
90 rupees. 95 rupees.
95
Which
rupees. From where it is 95?
90 rupees. 90.
90 rupees. Okay. 15 rupees and 90 paise. NINETY.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
S.
Which book?
No book. Notebook only.
Okay.
15 rupees and 90
Or we
paise.
can write number also.
Which number, my dear? You have to write this question. You have to write the answer.
That no. We want to write the answers is number.
And no. It is asked write in words. So you have to write in words. That's all.
Not that. A after A is rupees 60, 6. What is the C question?
I will write higher. What is your doubt? I didn't understand. Yes, Mohammed Ali?
What is C question?
C question I will write. Question C I will write now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mohammed Ali.
book is fully completed.
Now we can move to C. Write the question C. And C we have rupees 5507. Mohammed Ali, tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. How many rupees and how many paisa?
55 rupee, 7 paise.
Very good. 55 rupees. FIFTY. 55 rupees. And it's here 07. That means it's 7. So and 7 paise. $55 rupees and 7 paise. FIFTY. 55 rupees and 7 paisa. Yes.
Completed.
Okay, one more. Haya, unmute and tell me the answer.
This is last 175 rupees.
How many
And
paisa?
And 35 paisa.
Okay, good. 175 rupees, 35 paisa.
Question Advait can answer.
Next, I will ask you, Advait. Please complete the answer. 100 HUNGRED. Please mute your device. 175. rupees and 35 THIRTY 35 paise. 175 rupees and 35 paise.
What is equal?
Now, next we have write in figures. Write in figures.
Ma'am, please wait for me. What is the number?
Write in figures. FIGURES. Write in figures.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished.
Here we have the first one. A 56 rupees.
Ma'am,
56 rupees.
ma'am, we want to write this
Yeah, you have to write.
number.
You have to write the answer. How we will write the answer, Advait? First of all, we will put the symbol. Then we have to write the rupees. How many rupees here?
56 rupees.
Write the question. Now you have to put a dot. Then
Ma'am,
how
write
many
the
paisa? Yes, mother.
Ma'am, write. We write the question.
You have to write the question. Now, how many paisa? No paisa, no here. So you can put a 0, 0.
Mathematics. What is equal?
Now we have B. And here we have B.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, can you tell the number?
95 rupees. Write in words, 95 rupees and 25 paise.
We 95 rupees and
25 paise.
Ma'am, I want to see the B question.
I'm going to write NINETY 95
Not second B question.
FIBE 95 rupees.
Ma'am, not second B question. First B question. Ma'am,
Yes.
not second B question. First B question.
Arav just reached there only.
Yes. Yes. Then next class what is the next question? And next class you want to
95 rupees 25 paisa. T W E N T Y 25 paisa. Two more questions is there that I will try give you when I'm sending the notes. So put the symbol. How many rupees here? 95. So we can write the number 95. Then we can put the dot. How many paisa? 25 paisa. So we can write the number 25. Arav, I will send the notes in the group.
Yeah. What is next question?
Now two more questions are there that I will give you in the notes. So you can complete it. The third one is 29 rupees 5 paisa. 29 rupees and 9 paisa.
Ma'am, this you send in the WhatsApp.
I will send in the WhatsApp group. 29 rupees 5 paisa. So that questions I will send in the group. Okay.
What is the second question?
Second question is already there on the board. 95 rupees 25 paisa.
Question for
Question C, 29 rupees 5 paisa. C and D is there that I will send in the group.
What is the question? No. What is the question?
Question C is 29 rupees and 5 paisa. See, C and D I will send in the group. That's
What
better.
is the question number 3?
Question number, which question number, Parvati?
D.
That I will, which one, the first set or second set? That I will send in the group. That's better. Okay, Parvati, I will send C and D when I will send the note in the group. So let me wind up the session.
Yes.
Next class, we will add the money. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.